Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to set a water reminder in iPhone so you never forget to stay hydrated. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Reminders app on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed and helps you create daily alerts and tasks. Step 2. Tap on New Reminder to start creating a new alert just for your water intake. Step 3. Enter a title for the reminder such as drink water so it's clear what the alert is for. Step 4. If you'd like, write a short note with more details like how much water to drink. Step 5. Tap on details to adjust the reminder settings, including time and repeat options. Step 6. Tap on time and choose the exact time you want your reminder to go off. Step 7. Tap on repeat and pick how often you want the alert like hourly, daily, weekdays or weekends. Step 8. Tap add to save your reminder and return to your main list. Now your iPhone will notify you to drink water at the selected interval. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more simple iPhone tips.